back at you again with another shoe review. Let's go. All right, Kenzie, what you think these are right here?
6s.
Let me shake them up. Hold on.
Don't shake
I think they're like 12s or 13s or 14s.
No, the ones we just got don't come there that fast.
All right, so the other ones that we got coming in are these right here.
I think they're 12s.
So you don't think you think these are the what?
The 6s.
Let's see. Oh, damn.
They're the 6s!
Hold them up so we can see. Hold on. Hold on.
They're like my other box.
Oh, it smells good. I love the fresh smell. Oh,
Bruh.
oh. All right, go ahead. You look at me like that. All right. I don't know why I got smell them, but I love the smell of fresh shoes.
Shit, I love it so much.
All right, go ahead. Tell them what you like about these shoes. Talk to them.
Well, these are different. You don't think I would actually wear these, but you know they're really cute. I like the blue on them.
All right, talk to me. What's blue? You got to talk kind of loud.
Like I like how it's like gel. It's gel bottom.
All right,
thing.
gel bottom. Y'all know I'm not a fan of gel bottoms because I gotta clean the bottoms.
And I like how the tag right here. I mean, right here is gel bottom. It's like whatever. I don't know if you can call that.
Oh, there's gel. Yo, check this out.
And right here you can tighten it.
It's actually. All right, and then she's talking about this. Keep going so I can show them.
Then
This shoe is
I
actually
like the
dope.
inside of the shoe.
What's in the inside? Y'all see it?
And then I like the oh, the whole inside is like that, like the tag and everything.
Yo, this show. Is it like velvet? What is this on the? You gotta watch out
It
so
is
you don't.
velvet.
You gotta watch out so you don't scuff things with your heel. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, this shoe right here, 1 through 10, and I swear she gets.
Off the charts.
No. Compared to your retro Red Thunders. Come on.
They'll be like my Red Thunders are like a 20, and these are a 19.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What about the retro 11s?
Retro 11s? You
Yeah,
mean
just-
Jordan 11s?
That's what I meant.
Those are a 18.
So you put these higher?
Yeah, those are Jordan.
Yo, this right here. All right, let's
tell
tell them something else about the shoe. Okay, it's got this puffy thing. It don't push in.
don't know
I
if
love
it
the
is.
tag in the back. That's litty. I do
I
like
thought this
this.
was gonna cut my heel, though.
Look, Kenzie, this is gel, right? Oh my God, look.
I told you right there.
It's all the way in the shoe, which is dope, all the way down through the shoe. Like I said, this is gel right here, but
Wait.
then you got like this little guard right here. That's Jordan that's on it, which is pretty cool.
Dad, okay, can I ask them a question?
Talk to him.
What shoes should I wear tomorrow? These or my new ones that I got, my 13s?
So these are these. Y'all comment below. These, fire.
Yeah.
Fire. Or these.
Which one should I wear tomorrow?
Y'all tell
to
us.
school?
All right, so what else you like about this shoe?
I like everything. Right here, it's like
Sturdy.
it's like it looks like a trampoline. It feels like a trampoline.
So right here, it's actually got, oh wow. Right here, it's actually like felt too. And like I said, this is like, what is this? Suede, what is that? Velvet. Something like that. But
Oh,
this is a
I
dope
love
shoe.
these.
This is a dope shoe. I didn't think this shoe was going to be that dope. I like the stitching in the back. That is dope. Everything about this shoe. So, we don't know how comfortable it is. This shoe runs retail anywhere from $300 to $400. It's like, I say $250 to about $400. So make sure you check them out on StockX, man. StockX, eBay, or GOAT. But, yo, these are fire. I like these shoes. Look, even got like right here. Which is pretty cool. These imprint thing. Bro, this shoe is dope. I'm going to show you. Go ahead. Hold on.
These.
I'm going to go.
I like the Jordan at the bottom too.
This shoe is dope. I ain't going to lie.
The Jordan symbol's like sideways.
The shoe is dope. Look at her. Inside the shoe. All the way up the shoe. It's dope. So, take them out, boo-boo. Hey, first off, you recommend this shoe for everybody?
Yes, most definitely.
Every shoe she gets, you recommend. You ain't no bad shoe. Every one of them above a 10. All right,
Yes.
go and take them out, baby.
Make sure you like, look at B. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
You won't miss on our next video. Peace!